a car swerved into our lane and hit us head on. I was 6 months pregnant.
They rushed her as soon as possible to the hospital. They brought her to me right before they were going to take her to surgery so we could see each other.
They took me back into surgery, and when I woke up, the first thing I asked was, "Where's my baby?" And the doctor came in, and he held both of my hands, and he said, "I'm sorry, but she didn't make it." And I didn't say anything. I just squeezed his hands really, really tight, and I just let out the pain and the reality of it just soak in. I realized that she was gone.
At the end of the day, with the death of our daughter, when I think of the team, they did do her justice. If not, I couldn't think it could have went so many other ways, but it didn't. I'd have to say that's probably what brings us peace, knowing that the outcome of the case, and we have friends for life, and they'll do whatever they can to help you. I know the heart they put into these cases. They would do all they can to get the case solved, to bring closure, and to bring justice.
As attorneys, we have to tell the story of the client in a way that they can get a fair recovery. And the only way I can tell that story is to live it. To go through that is painful. For me to represent my clients, I have to embrace it. If I'm going to tell their story, I have to feel what they're feeling to make that story real to a jury or to an insurance company.
Our main goal is to help our clients put their lives back together. It takes a lot of time, effort, energy, investigation, and desire to get a full cup of justice for our clients. And unfortunately, in the system that we're in, justice is only measured in money.
We're never going to be outworked on a case. We're never going to be outspent, and we're never going to be underprepared. We're going to go the distance, no matter what happens. We're not going to abandon the client once we've taken on a case, and we're going to fight for them to the end till we get the compensation that they believe is fair.
When you come to Adamson in Cleveland, you get good guys that are great lawyers with a very personal touch on your case.